Hi, in this video we will look on the procedures for registration. All taxable person should deal with GST Common Portal, that is set up by the GST network for registration and all other communications by the taxable persons. There will be back-end integration with the GST Common Portal and systems of central government and each state government. Applications for registration can be put directly or through the facilitation centers provided. If one taxable person has to take registration in more than one state or he has more than one business vertical, he can do all registrations at one go. Relevant documents should be submitted along with the application form. If it is a partnership deed should be provided. And if it is a society or trust, registration certificate should be provided. If it is a company, GST Common Portal will search the company details, common identification number, that is CEN, with MCA 21 website. As proof of place of business, either this municipality registration certificate or electricity bill or tax receipt can be submitted. And if the place of business is on rental basis, rent agreement along with tax receipt, municipality registration certificate or electricity bill can be submitted. If the place of business is event or running the business on some other basis, consent letter from the owner of the place of business can be provided. Next, opening page of the passbook of the proprietor or the business concern should be provided. It will include bank account number, bank branch, IFSC code or MSCR code, etc. Letter of authorization or resolution passed by the business concerned should be provided for each authorized signatory. Photograph of the proprietor or the directors or partners should be provided along with the all documents. After filing the application along with the prescribed documents, a message will be sent to the authorized signatory either through SMS or through email. On confirmation by the authorized signatory, acknowledgement number will be generated. After approval, GST identification number or GSTIN will be generated for the business concern registered. A temporary login and password will be provided to the authorized signatory and it will be communicated to him. So these all are regarding the registration procedure under GST Act. Thank you.